A Facebook fans page looks like this. And if you look at a Facebook fan page, it has this section on the left which has a lot of items on the menu, and one of them is the insights. If you click on the insights, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. So on this page, among other things, you will see the posts that perform the best on your page. And when I talk of posts performing best, it's in terms of how much reach, how many people the post reached, and how many people engaged with the post. So we have reach and engagement. And if you look at these different posts that we have here on that page, they have different rates of engagement, different rates of reach, how many people were reached by these posts. And several reasons account for posts having more engagement or less engagement, or reaching more people or less people. And we're going to find out in this video. Notice the varying level of engagement that under different posts that have been posted on this page. So if you look at a post like this, it got 313 engagement, reached 898 people. As opposed to this post that had 671 reached 671 people and 114 engagements. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that different types of posts get different kinds of engagements, the same like this. And if you look at a post like this, it had a lot of engagement, reached 2,835 people, and had 3,898 engagements. Now remember, this is a fan page that has about 6,738 fans, people who are following the page. So why is it that some posts get more engagements, why some posts get less engagement? And how can you leverage this knowledge for your social media strategy and to get posts viral? There are several ways of finding the viral posts or posts that can get viral on your page. And one of them is using tools like BuzzSumo. You might have heard about BuzzSumo, but this is a tool that is used by social media experts to find posts that are viral on social media. And when you find posts that are viral on social media, let's take for example, we're looking for math puzzles and wanted to find the most viral math puzzle out there or content related to math puzzles. Something that stands out is this article on timelesslife.info. Can you solve this math puzzle? And it was shared 14,200 times on Facebook. We got this amount of engagement on Facebook. And on the other social networks, Twitter, Pinterest, maybe no engagement. We had try solving this tricky math puzzle. If you click, these are actually articles that have been shared this total number of times on Facebook. The same like this one, math IQ test samples for netizens, 9,400 engagements on Facebook and 1 engagement on Twitter. But how do we go about, why do these posts get viral? One trick sometimes to do is to go into these posts and look at what it is all about. What is the puzzle about? And you see, when I was 14 years old, my brother was half my age. Now I'm 18. How old is my brother? So if you look at it, it's this image that actually made this post to go viral. So this is one place to start. This is a beginning. It's a good way to start. So you go to BuzzSumo, you type in the keyword and you search, and BuzzSumo is going to show you all the articles that are trending, that are viral on that topic. And this one went out and really got all this engagement, and it was posted actually on the 21st of October this month, and it has already been viewed this total, got this amount of engagement. That's a lot of engagement. So the trick is to go in there and look at the post. What is this post about and why is it going viral? And you as a social media expert is to maybe try to create a post that is similar or that conveys the same kind of message and share within your page. Or you can copy this URL simply and share within your page, and it's going to share this image. If you do that, this post has a chance of going viral. Another simple way of finding viral trends or viral posts within a page is to go to this search section on the top left on your Facebook fan page and actually type in the keyword. So let's go with the same keyword, math puzzles. And if you search the math puzzles keyword, you'll be taken to a page like this, and it's going to show you this link. It's going to show you all these links at the site. So I'm looking for math puzzles, not within people or photos or videos, but I'm looking for math puzzles maybe as posts. What posts contain math puzzles? If I click on that post and I go to this page and I scroll, I'll be able to see the posts that got the most engagement. In this case, look at this one, it's 78. It's more than the other posts that I've got to do puzzles that have just 5 engagements. So that's a good starting point, because I could actually click to see what this post is about and then borrow ideas from there to create posts that are similar or under the same kind of category, or that convey similar messages. That's another way of finding viral posts. Once you find the viral posts and create a similar post that you think can go viral, post it within your page. You will notice that if you have a good number of subscribers, they are going to start engaging with the post in a very similar manner like in the other group where it went viral. So if you look at some of these posts, let's just assume that this was a post that I found using one of those 2 strategies, and I posted it out, and you notice that this post was posted 19 hours ago and it has already got 27 engagements. Another way of making the engagements to increase is to go below the post and share it within a group. Before sharing posts within groups, you have to be members of that group. So if you don't know how to join Facebook groups, go and learn how to join Facebook groups with your fan page. So I've used this fan page as my name, Matt Fox, to join groups. So what I can do, having posted this post I think has a characteristic of a viral post, or a post that can go viral, I will go under the post and share to a group, not to a page, but to a group. And then I will look for the groups. These are groups that I've joined, and I can share this post directly within these groups just by clicking. Some of these groups have thousands of subscribers, and when I share, these subscribers are also going to see this post, and if they like it, they are going to interact with the post. That's another way of making a post within your page go viral. And the good thing is that when your post from a page gets viral in another group, people are also going to follow that page or follow that post and come back to your page, and they could like your page, they could become your fans. So that's a simple and easy way of growing your fan base based on your Facebook page. So I hope you have learned 2 strategies of creating viral posts. First of all, using tools like BuzzSumo, which I shared here, to find a viral post, find the most viral content. And then the next thing is to create content that is similar and then post it within your own page. Another strategy I told you was to use going within Facebook itself and looking for that keyword and then searching and finding posts that are viral within that niche, and then creating similar posts and posting within your page. So thanks for listening. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to this channel.